Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IMUX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going into Friday and then next week. First level of support to keep an eye on is going to be that breakout point from this morning. And that's actually kind of a twofold breaking point. What do I mean by that? Well, if you go back here, you can see that that level just flat out knocked the price back down and rejected it. And then you go to the opening 30 minutes and you can see the price, that's essentially right where it did get rejected from there. And then the next candle right there finally broke above it. And then from there, that's pretty much what ignited, the fireworks even more so. So now the price is pulled back and you can see that that's just a classic example of resistance now acting as support. So 1370 going to be that first level of support for those reasons. In the event that level cannot hold up as support, the next level you would want to turn your attention to is down here at that, again, under the same rule, that level right there, you can see rejected the price several times. So it was a former area of resistance, and that's 1250. So 1370 and 1250, two important levels. 1250 is, I'm not going to quite go as far as calling it a must-hold level, but it's definitely quite important. The reason being, if the price were to go down there and then break down through it and then just continue on down, at that point, that's starting to threaten putting the price right back to where it was before the big move. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So definitely, ideally you want to see the price stay above 1250. Now, in the event the price starts to bounce back upwards, where are some of these areas of resistance at? First level is going to be that former level of support, and that sits right up there at $15.35. If 15.35 can be broken, the next key overall level is just right up here, give or take, right around the $18 mark. So keep an eye on those couple levels. But no doubt about it, crazy movement today. Nice volume. Now it's just a question of, is this movement going to consolidate out and give it another go to the upside? Or is this kind of rough late day action, the beginning of the end? We'll see. But, the key thing here is how does the price react around those areas of support if they even get tested? First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.